The most rewarding part of this job is when I see a student that's come in here, didn't know anything, and we've been able to teach him how to go through the process of washing the car, detailing it, to the point where he can actually buff the car out and it looks good.
They will teach you how to do the step of auto detailing perfectly and get you a job after you've done your program.
Pretty much you could also use it as like a life skill, so in case if you want to wash your own car at home, you'd know how to.
I went to this program because I'm interested in cars, and hopefully I'm going to run my own business right behind my house. We have a 2-car garage.
You gotta love what you do. I work hard, I get the job done, and I'm always ready to work and get my hands dirty.